Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install a Belshaw donut hole submerger onto my fryer. Now I looked on the internet and I didn't see anything that shows exactly how to put this on there. It comes with 3 pieces here, 2 brackets, and then the actual submerger itself. And I had to look on the internet and try to find pictures to show actually where this thing is going to go. I figured out that it's going to go onto the back side, attached to the back side of the fryer. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and maybe you can learn with me. One of the first things you need to do is you need to make sure that your fryer comes with these little, it's like a welded holder for the edge of the submerger. There's a hole on one side that one side of the submerger will go to, and then on the other side there's another one that it will slide into. Now this fryer here, I have 2 fryers. This one actually has those on it, but my other fryer here, it does not have it. I think this is a little bit older version of a fryer that didn't have those attachments welded onto the inside of the fryer. And those attachments, that's going to slide, one side is going to slide in the hole and the other side is going to slide into the other hole to hold it in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the sides to make it easier to install. This is an afternoon after we've done fried and are done for the day. I let the grease cool off. This is probably 4 or 5 hours later. And I'm going to go ahead and take this side off to make it easier for me to install. Now, the way this is going to install, you can see this makes this piece right here. It's going to go straight up. It's going to go straight up above the. I'm not even sure how high it's going to go. Somewhere in here. I'm going to find out. Okay, so I've attached. Here's the hook that faces forward towards the fryer. I have it attached on the very bottom here. This only had 1 screw, 1 hole for it. So I'm just gonna do this 1 hole. If I need to, I'll drill another hole here. But I think this is gonna be good enough. And then right above it, I have this little bracket that came with the kit. 2 screws I just put on, and I'm gonna screw it into, if you can see behind this, there's another hole right there. And I'm gonna attach it to that. All right, now I got the back secured. That's installed there. The screws are installed here. Up underneath, I got it put in. All right, so it's secured. So now, on this screen, I got the handle here. You got these little edges, these little things that are welded on. They stick out. Both sides have them. They stick out. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put it in this one side here. And then you're going to come back and insert it here. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so I got it in that hole on this side. I'm going to insert it in on this side now. It's kind of hard to do with a camera, but so you insert it there. And I got to push it back in place. All right. So now, what happens, and what this is a support. So when you bring this back, put it up, and it hangs onto it right here, so it won't fall, because it is a little flimsy. Now, once I push it back against the wall, this right here is not going to be flimsy. It's going to be right up against this wall. So I'm going to do that now. If you work in a donut shop, you know you're gonna get a little grease everywhere and dust. So this is pretty easy for us. Alright, so basically you grab the handle as you're frying, it releases, and you just set it like that. It cooks whatever's in the fryer. When you're done cooking, you lift it up, push it all the way to the back. It kind of locks in place. I wouldn't say locks in place, but it kind of holds itself up. So anyway, so that's how you install a donut hole submerger on a Belshaw. Hope it's helpful.